Welcome back to the channel, Nick here. I'm just in a 2018 Volvo B7R Fleet 5050, 43 seated, 28 standing. GoBus Ventures built coach. The Sinclair Normanby run today, so I'm just making my way out to Sinclair terminus to start my run. Today's the 13th of December. We're only a week or so, 10 days or so out from Christmas, and you know, we're well into the first month of summer, but it's been a beautiful spring and summer so far here in Dunedin, as you'd expect. But it's a cold one today. And that's what can happen in this part of the world. You can have it can be 30 degrees one day and it can be 12 degrees the next. You just never know. But it's a bit of a chilly one today, that's for sure. So not our usual sunny blue skies, but we'll let you ride along with me here through to the terminus, and I might get some footage also of some of the route between Sinclair and Normanby. So Route 8, I'm on today, Sinclair to Normanby, Dunedin, New Zealand. So it's a Sunday morning, so it's pretty quiet around town at the moment. Just like to take this opportunity to my viewers to say thanks to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate it. I'm glad you've all been enjoying the videos and subscribing. That helps me to bring some more content to you guys, so thank you very much for that. And great to have some comments on my videos from people around the world. And I'll look forward to bringing you some more content as we go into the new year. But in the meantime, I'll let you sit back and relax, and we'll head round to Sinclair. Okay guys, we're just out at Sinclair Terminus, so let's do a quick customary walk around the bus. So yeah, as I said, the Global Bus Ventures built Volvo B7R 2018, very nice bus to drive. So this one in the all bus colours. Okay folks, I'll be departing here in about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but I will get some footage, some more footage of the run, so I'll see you again shortly. Cheers. Alright guys, oh well, we made it out to Normanby Terminus. That was the complete Route 8 from St Clair to Normanby, right through the city. So hey, thanks for joining me today guys. I'm going to leave it at that. Again, thanks to my new subscribers, and if you did enjoy today's video, please give us a thumbs up, click subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys next time. Cheers.